Hello, today we're going to look at standard form. I'm going to look at converting what you might call normal numbers, so a number like that, into this thing called standard form. Now whenever I use the term standard form, it can also mean scientific notation. They are one and the same. So we'll look at converting normal numbers into standard form, and also later on we'll look at converting numbers from standard form back into normal numbers. So let's start off with the definition of standard form. Well, the definition is this number here. So you've got two numbers multiplied together. The first number has to be between 1 and 10. And the second number that you're multiplying between 1 and 10 by is a power of 10. So how do we get to this number? Well, what we do, we look at our normal number. Incidentally, this is the age of the Earth in years, or the approximate age of the Earth in years. So what we do, we get our decimal point, we put in our decimal point to make the number between 1 and 10. So 4.6. So that's how we get the 4.6. Then what we do is we count back to the original decimal point to get our power of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's how we get our power of 9. That was a very large number. Here, a very small number. This is the mass of a carbon atom. So same sort of process. Put our decimal point in to make it between 1 and 10. So 2.03, and then we count back to the original decimal point. 1, 2, 3, 4. I've left out quite a few zeros. And when we eventually get back to the original decimal point, we'll have jumped 23 times. So in this case, the mass of a carbon atom is 2.03 multiplied by 10 to the power of negative 23 grams. Now sometimes I find people get a bit mixed up as to whether it's a positive power for the 10 or a negative power for the 10. I would say the best way to remember it is when your original number is greater than 10, it's a positive power. And when your original number is less than 1, then it's going to be a negative power. Right, now going the other way, we're going to go from standard form back into normal numbers. This number here is the approximate population of China in 2013. So the way we're going to do this, we'll take our number between 1 and 10, just write it down. And what we're going to do, we're going to use this power of 10, so the 9, and that's going to help us. So what we're going to do, we're going to jump back 9 points from the original decimal point. So that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And underneath all those jumps, we're just going to put in zeros. So if we were to write that out a bit more neatly, that's our population of China in 2013 as a normal number, I suppose you might call it. This number here, this is the average mass of a human cell. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my 1 over here, my number between 1 and 10, and I'm going to put in the original decimal point, and I'm going to count back 12 decimal places, or jump 12 places. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. My decimal point in there, and all the zeros. Oh, a little bit messy, my apologies. So let's write that out a bit more neatly. Here's my decimal point. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got another 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the 1 at the end. Kilograms. So that's converting standard form back into normal numbers. Goodbye, and thanks for watching.